guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you have some drywall projects coming up? You definitely want to make sure you have the right tools for the job. We have been super happy with this level 5 11.5 by 4.75 inch drywall trowel. This thing is really tough and very durable. So this is a high quality triple hardened stainless steel. It has a high impact handle, and it has been just the thing that we needed for finishing drywall. We are absolutely amateurs. We are total beginners with working with drywall, but this really made it a lot easier. So we're super happy that we got it. It has a nice big surface that allows you to really feather out the joint compound so you get a really smooth finish. The handle has a really comfortable grip to it, so you can hang on to it and it's not going to slip out of your hands even if it's a little bit wet. It's definitely a durable, strong product. It feels really solid and heavy duty. And for us, the results really speak for themselves because our drywall finishing came out so much better when we used this product. So we've been really happy with this product and would definitely recommend it for any project that you've got going on. And that's my point of view.